Here's a great deal on a 2012 Ford F-150. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.